Developing a strong visual identity system. You have done the hard work of researching, analyzing, and proposing a clear brand direction. The client concedes and wholeheartedly endorses the strategic plan. Looks great in theory. However, it's now time to make it real by actively creating and implementing the visual system. When people have trouble understanding or agreeing, design can effectively demonstrate and communicate the idea to a tangible level. You might begin designing a visual approach with a logo, which is a good starting point. However, a logo will consistently never exist in a situation of isolation. While you might certainly perceive it individually on the screen, the audience will always acknowledge and understand it in its whole context. The entire identity system, or how the logo and other elements interact, will either support the brand message or create confusion. An identity system is the combination of all the elements that work together to maintain a singular voice for the brand. The logo is one part, and there may be horizontal, vertical, and stacked variations. The identity system also includes a proprietary color palette, a selection of typefaces for headlines and body text, and additional elements such as iconography, copy styles, materials, and image style if needed. Think of an identity system as a set of Lego bricks or color blocks. There are multiple elements that combine to create new ideas. You can build all kinds of structures with Lego bricks, but whether it's a house or car, they will always maintain their distinctive aesthetic. However, if you try to mix Lego bricks with wooden blocks, then the result is disjointed. Identity systems work similarly. Different parts can combine in various ways, but the system falls apart when an incompatible element is introduced. An identity system will be passed on to other designers and creative partners. Consider who will be using it once you've completed it. Is it a close-knit group of skilled designers or a broader group within the organization? If it's a creative company with talented designers in-house, you might design a system with more variables and options with a broader color palette, more typographic choices, and different approaches to imagery. Providing skilled designers with creative freedom ensures they are less likely to stray from your system. Conversely, if the client has no in-house design team or will hand the identity system to a wide range of partners, it may be wise to create a more stringent system. Limit the color palette to 1 or 2 options. Use only one typeface and one style of images. The goal is consistency and maintaining the brand message. Fewer options help create a cohesive style with a lower risk of visual inconsistencies. Maintaining an identity system and brand message leads to easy recognition by the audience. If the message is simple and clear, and the visual language is unique and compelling, the audience will eventually recognize the brand even without the logo or product. In our world, where millions of visual messages compete for attention, this is essential for a company's success.